कठपुतली गुस्से से उबली, बोली ये धागे क्यों है मेरे पीछे आगे। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, दिस वन। इन्हें तोड़ दो, मुझे मेरे पांव पर छोड़ दो। क्या क्या कहना चाह रही है जो कठपुतली है?
मैम 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 उस कठपुतली को गुस्सा आता है कि उसे धागों से क्यों बांधा गया है, वह आजाद होना चाहती है।
हाँ, और क्या नहीं रहना चाहती?
मैम बंधे हुए।
दूसरों पर अधीन नहीं रहना चाहती। उसका एक शब्द मैंने अभी समझाया है, कौन सा शब्द था?
अधीन।
अभी मैंने वो शब्द को क्लियर किया था, कौन सा शब्द है वो बेटे?
मैम अधीन।
नहीं, अधीन तो नहीं समझाया मैंने। दूसरों पर अधीन रहना क्या कहलाता है? बताऊं क्यों आपको समझ में नहीं आया? क्योंकि आप बहुत ज्यादा बिजी थे अपनी चैटिंग में। आप चैटिंग कर रहे हो, पूछ रहे हो कि दूसरा पीरियड कब शुरू है, किसका है। Why are you asking बेटे? जब मैं समझा रही हूँ तो आपका ध्यान यहाँ क्यों नहीं? आई एम आस्किंग समथिंग। वो शब्द है पराधीन। आरोही, चलिए ना, वो शब्द है पराधीन, पराधीन। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट है। सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां कि हाँ बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए। ठीक है, सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए। ये देखिए, छंद छूना कहते हैं मन की बात को पढ़ लेना, मन की बात को सुनना। बेटे कई बार होता है कि हम अपने मन को महसूस कर रह जाते हैं, अपने मन को मार देते हैं, है ना। कई चीजें ऐसी होती है कि मन को हम अपने मार देते हैं, बोलते हैं कि नहीं ये नहीं करेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, ऐसा अपने मन को समझाना पड़ता है। तो बहुत दिनों से इन कठपुतलियों ने अपने मन को मार रखा था, अपने छंदों को दबा रखा था। अब यहाँ कह रही हैं, क्या कह रही हैं कठपुतलियां? और जो दूसरी कठपुतलियां हैं वो पहली कठपुतली की बात सुनकर बोली। क्या सुना उन्होंने? कि वो कठपुतली आजाद होना चाहती है, अपने पैरों पर खड़े होना चाहती है। सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां, और कठपुतलियां यानी जो आसपास और भी कठपुतली थी कि हाँ बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए। वो कह रहे हैं बहुत दिन हो गए हैं हमने अपने मन की बात नहीं सुनी। पहली कठपुतली की बात सुनकर दूसरी कठपुतलियों के मन में भी आजाद होने की इच्छा सर उठाने लगती है। वे भी उसकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाने लगती हैं और कहती हैं कि सचमुच बहुत दिन हो गए अपनी मन की मर्जी से काम करने का हमें अवसर नहीं मिला। अतः सभी कठपुतलियां विद्रोह के लिए तैयार हो जाती हैं। आई तो मैंने बात बेटे? तो सभी जो कठपुतलियां हैं वो विद्रोह के लिए तैयार है। किसके साथ? जो पहली कठपुतली है उसके साथ। अभी मैं इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछने जा रही हूँ, जिसको मैं बोलूंगा। हाँ जी बेटे रितेश, कुछ कहना चाह रहे हो? ऋषित कुछ कहना चाह रहे हो बेटे?
नो मैम।
अच्छा, समझ आ रहा है आपको?
यस मैम।
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं अभी पूछती हूँ, किसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। एक मिनट। शिवराज, शिवराज बेटे, शिवराज, शिवराज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। शिवराज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
यस मैम।
बताइए जरा, यहाँ पर जो कठपुतली है वो किस चीज की बात कर रही है?
मैम अपने आप में जीने की।
अपनी
मैम
जो कठपुतलियां हैं वो किस चीज की बात कर रही है? अपने सेल्फ डिपेंड होने की, आत्मनिर्भर होने की बात कर रही है। कठपुतली किसमें बंधी रहती है? इतनी आवाज क्यों आ रही है? आपकी सहज इतनी आवाज क्यों आ रही है? क्या बात है? अच्छा म्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को, म्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को जरा, म्यूट नहीं करते। आदर्श शुक्ला, आदर्श, यस आदर्श, आदर्श,
यस मैम।
आदर्श बताइए जरा, कठपुतली जो है पहली कठपुतली, उसको क्या हो गया अचानक? क्या कहना चाह रही है वो?
वो कहना चाहती, वो आजादी के लिए कहना चाहती है, अपने आत्मनिर्भर के लिए,
आत्मनिर्भरता के लिए, है ना? वो क्या कहना चाह रही है? क्या कह रही है वो?
वो कह रही है कि हम कठपुतलियों को हमारे आत्मनिर्भर पर छोड़ दो।
हाँ, हमारे पैरों पर छोड़ दो और ये धागों को क्या कर दो? तोड़ दो। इन धागों को क्या कर दो बेटे? तोड़ दो और हमें अपने पैरों पर छोड़ दो, है ना? शाबाश। अच्छा अब मैं पूछ रही आराध्या, आराध्या, आराध्या,
यस मैम।
सेकंड पैराग्राफ में क्या है? जरा पढ़कर बताइए, पैराग्राफ पढ़िए, रीड करके बताइए मुझे। आराध्या, आराध्या, आराध्या सेकंड पैराग्राफ सुनकर बोली, यहां से रीड करिए जरा, रीडिंग लगाइए। ये पता नहीं कहाँ चली जाती है आराध्या, कुछ प्रश्न पूछो, ये बोलती नहीं है, कभी आंसर नहीं देती है। अमित विक्रम, अमित विक्रम, अमित विक्रम, अमित, आन्या बत्रा, आन्या बत्रा बेटे जरा रीडिंग लगाइए कविता की।
सुनकर बोली और कठपुतली कि हाँ बहुत दिन हुए हम अपने मन के छंद हुए। हमें
दोबारा पढ़ो शुरू से।
कर बोली और कठपुतलियां
स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ो, कठपुतली से पढ़िए।
से उबली बोली ये धागे क्यों है मेरे पीछे आगे, इन्हें तोड़ दो मुझे मेरे पांवों पर छोड़ दो।
नेक्स्ट।
सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां कि हाँ बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद हुए, मगर
छंद हुए।
हाँ
बेटे सही से देखना जरा, मुझे तो चश्मे में भी दिख रहा है। हुए है ये, हुए छंद
हुए।
हुए। सही से पढ़िए, जल्दी एकदम भागिए मत, आराम से पढ़िए। लास्ट पैराग्राफ पढ़िए
मैम। लास्ट।
हाँ बेटे।
पहली कठपुतली सोचने लगी ये कैसी इच्छा मेरे मन में जगी।
अब तो इसके कवि कौन है? इसके कवि कौन से हैं बेटे?
आज मिश्र,
भवानी प्रसाद मिश्र, इसके कवि का नाम है भवानी प्रसाद। चलिए दोबारा एक बार मैं पढ़कर, अब मैं एक बच्चे से और रीडिंग लगवाती हूँ। आराध्या से तो कुछ पूछना ही बेकार है, मैं भी बात करूंगी इससे पर्सनली। आवेश, आवेश, मृणालिका।
यस मैम।
बेटे आप मुझे सिर्फ
यस मैम
पूछ रही हूँ, सेकंड पैराग्राफ का थोड़ा सा अर्थ समझ।
ओके मैम। मैम मैम जब उस कठपुतली ने बोला तो मैम उसी को देख के दूसरी कठपुतलियों ने भी बोला कि हाँ बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन की छंद छुए। मैम मीन्स कि मैम जब उस कठपुतली ने बोला
हाँ
मैम यस
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो
मैम।
बेटे, आगे बताओ।
मैम मैम जब उस कठपुतली ने बोला कि मतलब जब उस कठपुतली ने, तो मैम उसी को देख के मैम और कठपुतलियों ने भी बोला कि हाँ बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए।
क्या मतलब हुआ इसका?
मैम मतलब बहुत दिन हो गए कि हमने अपने मैम यस मैम कि बहुत दिन हो गए हमने अपने मन की
कि क्या बेटे, आगे बोलो, मन की क्या? अपने मन की, हेलो
मैम इच्छा को दबा के रखा है।
हाँ यही तो मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि
मैम
आप ये बोले।
हमने अपनी मन की इच्छा को दबा के रखा है।
शाबाश, अपने मन की बात सुने हमें बहुत दिन हो गए, हमने अपने मन की इच्छाओं को, आकांक्षाओं को दबा के रखा और अब टाइम आ गया है कि हम स्वतंत्र होना चाहती है ना। शाबाश, वेरी वेल डन,
चाहते हैं।
वेरी वेल डन, गुड गुड। स्तुति, यस स्तुति,
मैम
बेटे ये लास्ट पैराग्राफ रीड करोगे मेरे लिए?
यस मैम। मगर पहली कठपुतली सोचने लगी, ये कैसी इच्छा मेरे मन में जगी।
क्या कहना चाह रही है? क्या
मैम
कहना चाह रही है?
मैम वो कह रही है, मगर जो पहली कठपुतली थी वो सोचने लगी कि ये मेरे मन में कैसी इच्छा जगी।
कैसी इच्छा जगी थी उसके मन में बेटे?
मैम उसके मन में ये इच्छा जगी थी कि मैम कि मैम उसके मतलब धागे वो उनको छोड़ते क्यों नहीं है, उसके पाँव पर उसको छोड़ते क्यों नहीं है।
हाँ तो ये मतलब क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, मतलब क्या, किस चीज की इच्छा है? एक ऐसा शब्द बता दो, किस चीज की इच्छा है?
मैम कठपुतली की ये इच्छा है कि मैम उसको मैम कि मुझे मेरे पाँव पर छोड़ दो। मैम वो कहती है कि मुझे इन धागों से हटा के मुझे इन पैरों पर छोड़ दो।
बहुत सुंदर आपने बताया इसका अर्थ बेटे, स्तुति बहुत अच्छा। देवांश, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? बहुत सुंदर अर्थ आपने बताया कि वो आत्मनिर्भर होने का क्या कह रही हैं, सबको बता रही हैं कि हमें आत्मनिर्भर बना दो, हम किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड रहना नहीं चाहते, हम सेल्फ डिपेंड बनना चाहते हैं। लाइक अब क्या है, दूसरों पर डिपेंड है वो पराधीन है। पराधीन का क्या मतलब है कि दूसरों के अधीन है, वो चाहते हैं तो उसे खड़ा कर देते हैं, वो चाहते हैं तो उसको बिठा देते हैं, जहां चाहे घुमा देते हैं। वो कहती है बस बहुत हो गया, अब इन धागों के सहारे हमें नहीं चलना, हमें अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होने दो और आत्मनिर्भर बनने दो, हम किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड रहना नहीं चाहते। ठीक है बेटे, बहुत ही अच्छी कविता है, बहुत इजीली आप इसका अर्थ लिख सकते हो। आई होप कि आपको ये पूरी कविता समझ में आ गई होगी बेटे, है ना। आई है तो यस कर दीजिए, जिसको नहीं आई, देखो ग्रीन यस आई वांट, ग्रीन कलर का यस मुझे जल्दी से दबाकर दिखाइए। आराध्या को तो एकदम समझ आ गई। आन्या, आराध्या मैं आपसे फिर कह रही हूँ म्यूट हो जाइए, मुझे नहीं पता कि आप आंसर क्यों नहीं दे पा रही हो, क्या कारण है आपके आंसर न देने का? यस आराध्या, सभी लोग जिसको कविता समझ आई है वो ग्रीन टिक करेंगे, जिसको नहीं समझ आई, निकिता गोयल, आई एम कमिंग देयर बेटे। निकिता, यस बेटे निकिता, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताइए।
प्रॉब्लम इन सेकंड पैराग्राफ।
निकिता
मैम सेकंड पैराग्राफ में मैम प्रॉब्लम है।
सेकंड पैराग्राफ में दोबारा क्लियर कर देती हूँ, आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है लेकिन मैंने सुन लिया आपकी बात। ठीक है बेटे, सेकंड पैराग्राफ है, सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां। पहली कठपुतली की बात सुनकर जो आसपास खड़ी कठपुतलियां थी वो भी बोलने लगी, उसकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाने लगी कि हाँ सही कहा तुमने, बहुत दिन हुए हमने तो अपने मन की इच्छा को अंदर ही दबा रखा था। आज वो वक्त आया है कि हम स्वतंत्र होना चाहती हैं, आत्मनिर्भर होना चाहती हैं। बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए। मन के छंद छूना यानी मन की बात हम सुनते नहीं थे। हर बार हमारा मन कहता था कि हम आजाद होना चाहते हैं, तो हम अपने मन को मार देते थे और चुपचाप उनके अनुसार चलती रहती थी। लेकिन अब क्या हुआ है, वो टाइम आ गया है कि हम सेल्फ डिपेंड होना चाहते। ठीक है, समझ आ गई बेटे आपको? चलिए अब जल्दी से टिक करिए। ग्रीन टिक आई वांट, ग्रीन टिक ऑल ऑफ यू। वंशिका भल्ला आपको समझ में नहीं आया? वासु गोयल अगर नहीं आया है तो क्रॉस का लगाइए, मैं दोबारा समझाऊंगी। अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया तो क्रॉस लगाइए बेटे, मैं दोबारा समझाऊंगी। जल्दी से टिक, मैं अभी भी वेट कर रही हूँ। कौन बच्चा, किस बच्चे को ये पूरी कविता समझ में नहीं आई है? कल मैं दोबारा से आपकी कविता पूरी सुनूंगी आपसे, और ये याद करनी है कविता पूरी। पूरी कविता लर्न करनी है, यू हैव टू लर्न। अमित को समझ नहीं आया? अमित आपने ना ग्रीन टिक किया है ना क्रॉस टिक किया है। अमित विक्रम, देवांश, जयदीप विश्वास, जयश्री, रिधिमा, रिधिमा, वासु गोयल, मानवी।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम आप इस कविता का सारांश ग्रुप में सेंड करोगे?
अमित, अमित बेटे, अमित अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अमित बेटे,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
अमित विक्रम, अमित विक्रम, लगता है अमित विक्रम अपनी वीडियो ऑन करके भाग गए यहाँ से कहीं और। ऐसा ही लग रहा है मुझे तो। ठीक है, ओके। जयदीप, जयदीप, जयदीप बेटे, जयदीप अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, मुझे बात करनी है आपसे। जयदीप, जयदीप, जयश्री, ओके फाइन। तो सभी को लगभग समझ में आ गई है। कुछ सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से या कुछ माइक प्रॉब्लम की वजह से बच्चे मुझे बता नहीं पा रहे हैं। अब देखिए, आप अपना सुन लीजिए कि कल मैं आपसे सबसे पहले क्या सुनने वाली हूँ। आते ही साथ आप मेरे को ऐसे इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे। मैं, जो भी आपका नाम है, जैसे सपोज स्तुति, मैं स्तुति कक्षा 7 की छात्रा आपके समक्ष कठपुतली कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। इस कविता के कवि भवानी प्रसाद मिश्र हैं। कठपुतली गुस्से से उबली, बोली ये धागे क्यों है मेरे पीछे आगे, इन्हें तोड़ दो मुझे मेरे पांव पर छोड़ दो। सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां कि हाँ, बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए। अगर पहली कठपुतली सोचने लगी, ये कैसी इच्छा मेरे मन में जगी। इतनी कविता आप मुझे बिना देखे सुनाओगे, बिना देखे। इज दैट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? सोनारिका कुछ कहना चाह रही है। सोनारिका, यस सोनारिका। हाँ बेटे।
मैम व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ छंद? मैम व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ छंद छुए?
छंद छुए, मन की बात, मन की बात छुए। मन की बात सुने। ठीक है, चलो ओके। तो ये आपको कल करना है, जैसे मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन बताया है ठीक वैसे ही इंट्रोडक्शन आपको मुझे देना होगा सबसे पहले, उसके बाद क्या करना होगा बेटे, उसके बाद आप लोगों को कविता सुनानी होगी। बहुत इजी कविता है, ज्यादा लंबी भी नहीं है, इजीली आपको याद हो जाएगी। घर जाइए, घर से फटाफट से याद कीजिए जैसे ही टाइम मिलता है शाम को, और शीशे के आगे खड़े होकर जैसे मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन बताई है वैसे ही प्रेजेंटेशन आपको करनी है प्रैक्टिस, और उसके बाद यहाँ आकर मुझे सुना। ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, अभी बाय कहने का टाइम आ गया है। ठीक है बेटे, मैं बाय कह दूं। आरोही, आराध्या, 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 अगर आपको बेटे समझ में आ गई है तो थम्स अप कर दो। ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम है आराध्या? मैं आपसे बात करना चाहती हूँ, प्रॉब्लम है बेटे? कोई प्रॉब्लम है आपको? गर्दन हिलाओ है? अच्छा, मैं बात करूंगी आज आपसे। ओके, आई विल टॉक टू यू टुडे। ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं ठीक हूँ, कोई ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा सा फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गया था, नाउ आई एम ओके, और आज मैं घर चली जाऊंगी हॉस्पिटल से, ज्यादा परेशान मत होइए, ठीक है? अभी मैं ठीक हूँ, ठीक है बेटे, तो मैं आज घर चली जाऊंगी, अभी मैं ठीक हूँ। होमवर्क आपका कल है, होमवर्क डे कल है आपका, आज नहीं है, ठीक है? यस, थैंक यू सो मच मान्या। ओके, ठीक है, तो अभी बाय कह दें, घर जा। अभी फटाफट क्या करोगे इस क्लास के बाद? कविता याद करोगे, है ना? दूसरी क्लास में जाएंगे, और जब क्लासेस खत्म हो जाएगी तो क्या करेंगे? कविता को याद करेंगे, ठीक है बेटे? चलिए, बाय बाय बाय।
Bye, ma'am.
I'm getting
Stop करिए।
Jayashree, Jayashree,
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So the chapter number 1, the 3 questions from honeycomb is clear to all. Show me your digital thumbs up. Was it clear to all? The chapter 3 questions? Did you do all the exercise of the chapter 3 questions? The exercise that are to be done in notebook, you will only write that in notebook. Fine. And those exercises on which I have written to be done in notebook, you will have to do it in your notebook. Clear? Fine. So we have completed 2 chapters in the honeycomb. First one is the 3 questions and the second one is the squirrel. Clear? And today we will be reading the chapter Rebel Poem. Fine. First of all, we will write the word of the day. Take out your pen and notebook and write the word of the day. Good afternoon, everyone. Write the word of the day. Write courteous. Write courteous. If you know the meaning of the word courteous, you can send me your reply in the chat box. And those who don't know, you can write in your notebook. Courteous. Shivam, the spelling is not correct, beta. Courteous. Okay. Courteous. Polite and pleasant. Word. Write the word C-O. Yes, Manjot. Yes, it is the correct spelling of the word. C-O-U-R-T-E-O-U-S. Courteous. Courteous means a person that is very pleasant and kind to others. We use this word to express the personality of that person who is very pleasant and very kind to others. It means courteous. Okay. Now I'm sharing my screen with you and we will read a poem today. This poem is from the book Honeycomb. Fine. And after this poem, I'll be teaching you the next chapter from your book, A Gift of Chapels. This is your poem, and after finishing the poem, I'll be making you read the chapter, A Gift of Chapels. Fine. The rebel. This, yes.
And what is the word of the day?
I have given the word, Anya. Courteous means kind and pleasant.
Okay.
I'll be sending the question answer summary of this chapter. You will have to write the summary of the poem in your notebook and the question answer and exercises as well. Fine. This I'll be sending as a homework to you today. So this is the poem, The Rebel. Rebel, what is the meaning of the word rebel? Ma'am, we can write word of the day in the back of English notebook. Yes, yes. Yashika, the word is courteous. Courteous. It means kind and pleasant. So, rebel. Rebel is the person who is very contradictory to others. Like if I am talking very politely, the rebel will be aggressive in behavior. If I am having short hair, the rebel will keep long hair. So in this poem, the poet has expressed a person who is very opposite to other person. Fine. That's why he has chosen the title The Rebel for that person, because it is not necessary to write word of the day in your notebook. You can write it in your rough notebook. So, do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends? There might be a person who is always opposite to you or your friends. He likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do. So think of a word. If we think of a word to describe a particular person who is always opposite to others, we can say that he is a rebel. Means he is opposite to us. So we will read the qualities of a person who is rebel. And the poet of this poem is D.J. Enright. In the last part, we will be reading the name of the poet as well. D.J. Enright. This is the name of the poet. So, when everybody has short hair, if a person keeps short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. The rebel will keep long hairs because he wants to show the contradiction to that person. When everybody has long hair, if all the person will keep long hair, the rebel will keep short hair because he want to be different. He don't want to be seen similar to everyone. He want to maintain a distinction feature in his personality. That's why he does the things that are opposite to the person. Like when everybody will keep short hair, the rebel will grow long hair. And when everybody will keep long hair, the rebel will cut his hair very short. In this way, the rebel shows contrast to the person. When everybody talks during the class, if the class is going on and everybody is talking, the rebel will sit silently. He will not say a word. If nobody talks during the lesson, if the class is going on and nobody is talking, the rebel will create disturbance in the class. He will talk a lot. And he does these things only to create a difference between them, that he is different from others. When everybody wears a uniform, if everybody in the class wears uniform, proper uniform, what a rebel will do? The rebel will dress himself in fantastic clothes. Fine, he will maintain his outfit very brightful in color, or that is opposite to the uniform. Aradhya, I have already mentioned, beta, no need to write in notebook. Next, when everybody wears fantastic clothes, if everybody is wearing party wear clothes, the rebel will be dressed soberly, means the rebel will put on very simple clothes. If everybody is wearing party clothes, he will be wearing simple clothes. So the rebel does the opposite things. In the company of dog lovers, if the rebel is in the company where the people love dogs, the rebel will say, no, I love only cat, I'll prefer only cats, I'll not love dogs. So he always does the opposite things because he always want to look different from others, because he thinks different from the other people. In the company of cat lovers, if he is with those persons who love cat very much, so what rebel will do? Rebel will say that dogs are loyal, I love dogs. Fine. So he does the things that are contradictory to others. When everybody is praising the sun, praise means to appreciate, to like. When everybody is talking like the sun is very warm today, it is a good weather, then what do the rebel do? The rebel will desire for the rain. He will say, I don't like the sun. I think it should rain. I like the rain very much. So he will always do these kind of things to make him feel special, that is different from others. There. Okay. And when everybody is greeting the rain, greeting means welcome, appreciation. So when everybody is greeting the rain, if everybody is wanting the rain, that it should rain, so the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So at that time the rebel wants the sun. Why sun is absent today? Regrets means to feel remorseful. When everybody goes to the meeting, if everybody is ready to attend a meeting, the rebel will not go anywhere. He will stay at home and he will prefer reading a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, and if everyone remains at home and read a book, so what do rebel will do? The rebel will go outside to attend the meeting. So when everybody says yes please, if everybody says yes, it means shows appreciation. So rebel will say no thank you. It will say opposite. When everybody says no thank you, if the person says no thank you, he will say yes please. So he always do the opposite thing. It is very good that we have rebels. So the poet is saying ki, like it is very good to have rebels, because the rebels have different views. They always oppose the majority. Fine, they always contradict with others, and they have a unique way of thinking, which is little bit uncommon. And if we have rebels around us, we can also learn the other ways to think. Like no person can think the same way. Suppose if I am saying the weather is good today, it should remain this like. So the rebel will say no. The sun is very necessary and it should be sunny. It is not good. The rainy season is not good. So we get various ways of thinking when a rebel is nearby us. You may not find it very good to be one, but we cannot be a rebel. Because when you become a rebel every time, the society treats you like enemy. Fine. Suppose the lockdown is there, every person is sitting at home. Fine. Everyone is maintaining social distance. And what do the rebel do? Rebel will go outside the house, he will not wear a mask. So this sort of thing sometimes make us the enemy of the society. So it is good to have rebels around us because they gives the opportunity to us to think differently. But it is not good to be a rebel, because if we try to be a rebel every time, the society will treat us like an enemy. Anya? Yes, Anya? Yes, Anya? Anya? This poem has been composed by DJ Enright. Yes, Anya? Anya, I have unmuted you. Anya? You have raised your hand, beta. Anya? Okay, fine. So is the poem clear to all? If you have any doubt, you can send message in the chat box. Fine. I'm taking your attendance. You can show me your thumbs up if everything is clear to you. The poem by DJ Enright, the poem Rebel, is clear to all? Shiven Agarwal, yes?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the last 4 lines?
Okay. When everybody say yes, please. Like if everybody around the rebel says the words of appreciation to the rebel, that if you have any query, can I help you? So what do the rebel say? The rebel say, no thank you, I don't need your help. And if everybody say, no thank you, I'll not do anything to you, so he will say, yes please, can you do me a favor? So in this way the rebel shows the difference in his personality, that he is opposite to others. It is very good that we have rebels. It is very good that we have rebels in our society, that is because they have the different way of thinking. Fine, they are different to others, they think differently. But you may find it very good to be one. You may not find it very good to be one, but it is not good to be a rebel. Fine, because if we become rebel every time, if we do the opposite things to others, the society treats us like an enemy. Ma'am, we will not do chapter number 2. We will do chapter number 2 after completing this poem. Fine. We will be starting the chapter number 2 from tomorrow onwards. Clear? Now show me your thumbs up if you have understood the poem Rebel. Jayashree? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is rebel? Rebel is a person who does the opposite things, who is opposite to everyone. Is it clear? Shivan? Jayashree? Good. Vanshika? Rebel poem is clear to all? Vanshika Bhalla. Shivam Yadav. Shiven Agarwal. Now is it clear? Guneev, Mancha. Show me your thumbs up. Adarsh. Beta, is it clear? Rebel poem is clear? Good, good. Thank you, everyone. Good, good, good. Now, we will do the question answer of this poem. These are the question answer. Like, if someone doesn't wear a uniform, we have read in the poem that if everyone wears uniform to school while going to school, what do you think the teacher will say? If someone doesn't wear, we have learned that rebel do the opposite things that other people do. If someone is wearing uniform, he will not wear a uniform. And the question is asking like, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, if someone is not wearing school uniform, what do you think the teacher will say? What teacher will say? When you go to school not wearing your uniform, what your teacher says? You can give your answer in the chat box also. There. What does the teacher say? The teacher asks the reason that why are you not wearing your uniform, and if it remains in continuity, if you are doing it for a long time, the teacher will take action according to the reason. This happens. So we will write the answer like this. The teacher will ask the reason for not being in uniform, and then she will take action according to the reply. Ma'am, teacher can suspend also. No, not. It is not that easy. Yes, the teacher will say, why are you not wearing uniform? Yes. Teacher can ask you, where is your uniform? Why are you not wearing your uniform? But teacher cannot suspend you easily. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? If everyone is wanting like the weather should be clean or clear, what does the rebel want? Yes, I am getting the answers in the chat box. She will scold us, the sun. Very good, Sonarika. Very good. The sun. Nikita, the teacher will scold us. Very good. Teacher will scold you. The teacher will tell to our parents, yes, she can do this. When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain. When everyone wants, we have read this in chapter, the poem, that when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain. And when everyone wants rain, the rebel wants clear sky. Yes, I am getting the answers, I think. Rebel say that it should rain. Very good, Manjot. Shreyash, very good. Rebel want rain. Vasu, go. Sunny day. Clear sky means sunny day. Ma'am, the teacher will scold us. Mudit, very good. Rebel will say, why rain is not today? Okay. Tripti, very good. Rain, Dhairya, rain, very good. Third, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, if a rebel is having a dog as a pet, what is everyone likely to have? What type of pet will others be having? Cat, cat, cat. Very good, very good, very good. It's good to see all your answers. Cat. Okay, Yashika, cat. Dhairya, cat, cat, cat. Very good, very good, very good. So, we will write the answer in this way. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, then everyone else is likely to have cats. Fine. So we have done the third question also. The fourth one is, why is it good to have rebels? We have read in the poem that it is good to have rebels. It is good that we have many persons around us who are opposite to others, so that we have different choice. Very good, Manjot. If all the people will think in the same way, there will be less possibilities that we get any new idea. So rebels are necessary for a new outlook, for a new way of thinking. So it is good to have rebels because they think differently and they have the power to oppose the majority. They always raise their voice against others. Rebel makes things differently. Very good. Good, everyone. You should clap for yourself. You are very good. Yes. So, why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? I have also explained this in the poem that it is necessary to have rebels around us, but it is not good that we ourselves become rebel. The society will behave like enemy with us. Very good. You may not find it very good to be one. Very good. It is good to have rebels. It is good to have rebels because the person will not be like everyone and that person will unique. Okay, fine. It is not good to be a rebel oneself because it will keep us apart from the people. The habit of being a rebel, being opposite to everyone, every time, it creates a difference between us and the society. And our society will treat us like an enemy. Because society will see us as enemy. Very good, very good. No, because I don't want to speak against others. Okay, fine. So, what would you like to be a rebel? This is the question. Next question. Would you like to be a rebel? If you like to be a rebel, you will write yes. If you don't want to be a rebel, you will write no. I would not like to be a rebel. If yes, you will have to answer why, and if not, you will have to write the reason for not being a rebel. No, because I don't want to speak against others and everyone treat me as enemy. Yes and no. You can write the answer in your own way. Like, I would not be like, I would not be a rebel, because you will have to write reason. And if you want to be a rebel, I would like to be a rebel, because you will have to write the reason. Because I will have to do everything opposite. Very good. And Dhairya wants to do everything opposite. I don't want to become a rebel, not an rebel. Sometimes we will take wrong answers only because to think opposite of others. Yes, that is why. Okay, fine. This is done. Now we have the last exercise of this chapter. Find in the poem an antonym. Antonym, you must know the meaning of antonym. Antonym are the opposite words like good. The antonym of good will be bad. Opposite. The Vilom Shabd that you learn in Hindi. Bad, opposite, very good. So, long. What would be the opposite or antonym of the word long? Shiven Agarwal. Yes, Shiven. Shiven.
Ma'am, short.
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
short.
yes. You can write your message in chat box, Shiven. Fine. Because it takes too much time to unmute and mute. So that is the easiest way that you can give your answer. Ma'am, if someone is walking straight, so rebel will walk opposite? Yes. Ma'am, you are not audible. Okay. Yes, you are right. The antonym of long will be short. The antonym of grow. These antonyms are written in the poem itself. Fine. There was a line in the poem. If everyone likes to grow long hair, the rebel would. This is the opposite. Cuts, very good. Komal Preet, very good. Adarsh Shukla, cuts, very good. So you can write cut. So the antonym of grow will be cut. Yes, you are right. Disturbance. Good. Good. Now you have clearly understood the poem, I think. That's why you are giving the correct answers today. Quietness. When everyone is quiet in the class, so what will the rebel do? That is the antonym of the poem. The word. Yes, disturbance. Yes, lost, find. Very good. Good. Sober. If everyone wears sober clothes, the rebel would wear what? The antonym of the sober. Very good. Just go and find. Fantastic, Anya Batra. Very good. Ma'am, if a person is swimming, then rebel will be drowning. The rebel will drove. Good. Now I think you have clearly understood the concept of a rebel, right? If no one is chatting in the group today, the rebel will start chatting. Lost, found there. Very good. Lost, found. Yes. So the antonym of long will be cut. I am repeating it again. You will have to do this exercise in textbook only. Fine. So long, the antonym of long will be short. Grow, the antonym of grow will be cut. Quietness, the antonym will be disturbance. Sober, the antonym will be fantastic. Lost, the antonym will be found. Yes, very good. Now we have the last exercise to do. Find in the poem. You will have to look back into the poem, the lines of the poem, and you will have to match the statements. Read the both one after the other. Like, the rebel refuses to cut his hair. What is the condition when rebel refuses to cut his hair? When the others, what? When someone is walking forward, the rebel will be walking backwards. Very good. Ma'am, but how rebel will grow his hair in 2 minutes? No, it will take time there. Or else he can eat too much protein. he can eat too much eggs or protein X powder so that his hairs will go quickly. Others grow their hairs. Very good. Yes, when everyone has long hair. Very good. Shiven Agrawal, ma'am, he can wear a wig. Very good, very good. That is the shortest way to grow long hairs. Very good. Yashika, when the other have long hair. Yes, very good. Yes. So the rebel refuses to cut his hair. So what will the rebel do? The rebel will keep long hairs. Let's his hair long. Fine. Let's his hair grow long. The rebel will grow his hairs long. He says cats are better. In which condition he says the cats are better? When everyone long hair. Tripti, spelling of hair is wrong, beta. When others like to have dogs. Good. Very good. He says cats are better. And what do? He puts good words for dogs. He says that dogs are better. We will have to write the opposite. Yes. Next, he recommends dogs. He recommends dogs. Means he gives the suggestion to keep dogs as a pet. When we have to write the opposite. Others will say dogs are better. Okay. He has a preference for cats. We have to write the opposite of the sentence. Yes, others say cats are best. Very good. He recommends cats. Very good. Now fourth, he is unhappy because there is no sun. So, when will he become unhappy? When there is no sun? When everybody what? Others will say cats are better. Okay, this he wants rain. Very good. When everybody is greeting the rain. When everybody wants rain, he is unhappy because there is no sun. Yes, when others are happy to have sun. Okay. Others want rain. Very good. Everyone is happy because there is rain. Good. He is noisy on purpose. He makes lot of noise. When what happens? At which time he makes noise? When others are quiet. Very good. When someone is veg, he will become non-veg. Very good, Anya. Very good. You are thinking the contradictory statements of a rebel right now. Manya, everyone is quiet. Very good. Today you are doing the right thing in the chat box. You are answering, you are interacting, you are giving lot of responses and doing a lot of fun today. When they are quiet. Very good. Yes. He is noisy on purpose when nobody talks during the lesson. So, this is the poem about a rebel. And if you find, like in this poem, there are no such hard words or wording kind of things. You can see the words are very easy. We will have a look at the words. Everybody is easy. Or disturbance. Do you find the word disturbance difficult? Ma'am, if we are walking, he will fly. No, he will run. He cannot fly. He don't have wings. There is no hard words. Yes. Disturbance, you know the meaning of disturbance. Any sort of hindrance that stops the flow of anything. Fantastic. You must have known the meaning of fantastic also. Everything is easy. Okay. Fantastic means very queer and strange kind of clothes. Like you must have seen in the movies, like where there is a death ceremony of a person and everybody is wearing a white kurta or a white sari. The rebel will wear party wear uniform, party wear clothes, or rags, jeans, rugged jeans, or funky kind of t-shirt. Fine. So this is, yes, if he will break the things, rebel would fix the things. Very good. What will be of long and lost? Find and lost. He is going into the lava, the rebel will hit him to the lava. Very good. Very good, Aradhya. Very good. So, the word fantastic, you must know the meaning of the fantastic. I have already told you, like queer and strange clothes. This word stands for this meaning. Sober means simple. Preference means liking. Preference means liking. Remark means a longing, a desire. Fine. So this is all for today. We have done the poem Rebel and everything related to rebel, the exercises also. And that's all for today. Bye bye everyone. I'll see you in next class. Bye. Bye bye bye.